In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable private internet access VPN app notifications. If you are receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to disable them, then it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to access these apps info page. To do this, you can either go to settings here, or the shortcut method is just to long press on your app and you should see app info option here. Now, depending on your smartphone, this might be missing. If it is missing, you should see a settings gear just on top here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access the app info page, as you can see here. From this, go down to permissions, and under permissions, you should see notifications. As you can see, all these notifications are on, among them notification badges, lock screen notifications, floating notifications, play sound, vibration, as well as permanent notifications. With this on, you'll get a lot of distractions. To disable them, instead of toggling off one by one, just proceed and look for show notifications option here and toggle it off. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive notifications from this VPN app unless you go ahead and enable them again. So that's how you can permanently disable private internet access VPN app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.